Good afternoon to all students. Let's wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Let's the other join. Then we will start our session. Thank you. Yes, very good afternoon to all. Am I audible? Yes, my screen is visible. Fine. So let's get started with the unit number 2, Advanced PHP. That's what the outline of unit number 2. Regular expression. Regular expression, web scraping using curl, mail function, and web service and API. Fine. So we had already completed the regular expression part. Okay. Yes, I'm coming to that point only. So let's get started with the curl now. A web scraping using the curl. Okay. Why curl, first of all? Working on the server side does not necessarily imply that all the required information needs to be present on the database of a particular site, which we are basically working on. So as a matter of fact, the growing parts of information that is used particularly on a server side which is comes from the external sources. Basically, that is often from the via API, and that allows us some kind of services to provide the information to the website without accessing a database on the remote side, right? So particularly to utilize that information, we can use the curl, and that is a PHP built-in extension. So now what's basically curl? Curl stands for client for URL. It's a particularly a PHP extension that allow us to receive and send the information via URL syntax. So as far as concerned, by doing curl, which makes easy to communicate between the different website and domains. Fine. So definitely we are going to see this tutorial now upcoming. Fine. So what basically curl? As I've told you, a client for URL. Originally with the URL spelled in the uppercase to make the obvious that deal with the URLs. That's why. And which is pronounced as CURL. All right. So basically that is a project on a basically products, which is lib library curl and normal curl. Now what exactly the lib curl is? A free and easy to use the client side URL transfer the library which is supporting many of the protocols like FTP, TPS, HTTP. Gopher, Telnet, DICT, File, LDAP, right? So basically, this supports the TTPS certificate also, like HTTP post, HTTP, put, FTP, uploading, Kerberos, which is also an authentication protocol, in which we are working on the realm also, different realms, right? So HTTP based upload, proxies, cookies, username, password authentication, file transfer, resume, okay? Basically tunneling, all right? And particularly this is a freeware. So the libcurl is a free, thread safe, and which is also compatible with the extension of IPv4, which is IPv6. Features rich and well supported and very fast. So these are the main advantages of libcurl. Now, what basically curl? A particularly a command line tool for getting and sending, all right, particular files by using the URL syntax. So it uses the libcurl, which supports the range of common protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, Gopher, Telnet, FTP, FTPS, DICT, and File. Right. So complete the goal first. How does the curl extension work? Okay. So which basically it has a 4 steps. What basically first step is to initialize the curl session. Second, set the various options for the session. Third, execute. So basically in which we are doing two things. Either we are going to fetch or send the data from or to server. Okay. And fourth, close the session. So I request you to take the screenshot of this. How does the curl extension work? How does the curl extension work? Kindly take the screenshot of this. This is a very much important slide. And you need to focus on that 4 steps. If somebody going to ask you how does the curl extension works, you need to write 4. If they are going to ask with example, then you need to write everything. I'm coming to that point only. Is this done? The screenshot is done. But only one reply. Fine. So let's back to the one more time steps. Initialization. All right. So definitely there are some certain syntax and some prerequisite and some methods and functions are there to execute those. How does the call extension works? Right. So initialization part is very important. To initialization, you need to use curl init. Curl init. But so for that you need to use a variable also. The dollar handle is equals to curl init. Fine. Second one, set the various options for the session. So setting up the options, there are many options for the all right. For example, that options define the URL. So the name of that function, which is curl set options, curl set op. All right. And into bracket, we do have some certain options. The first one, it's a curl initialization handle, and then curl opt URL, comma URL. Okay. Third one, we need to execute commands. All right. Whether it is fetch or send. So for that, we need to use curl underscore execution, curl underscore exec into bracket function. So dollar data is equals to curl execution and handle. It's a parameter. Fourth one, releasing the curl, which means we are going to close the session. So curl underscore close and dollar handle. Right? So this is the most important slide to understand how to execute the curl examples. Well, how does the curl extension works? Are you getting now? Please at least respond in chat box. Fine. Moving to next. There are some basic curl functions which you need to learn, remember. Okay. Let's go through it one by one. We know that curl init, that is used to initialize the curl, new session. Curl execute, we know. To execute send or retrieve. All right. So this function should be called after initialization curl session and all options for the session are set. Its purpose is to simply execute the predefined curl session, which is given by ch. Third, curl set options. We need to set the various options. Okay, for that. So set an options for a curl session, which is identified by the parameter, which specifies the which option are supposed to be set, or value specifies, or a particular value is given for a particular option. Right. And curl set op. One more time. You can see this. These are some parameters like a ch. Okay. And into bracket we do have curl opt return transfer true, which basically returns the page content or basically retrieves something. Right? If set to false, then no output will be displayed. Okay. Curl set op. Ch curl op URL, which means it passes the URL as a parameter. So this is your target. This is your target, basically a target server website address. So this is the URL that you want to get from the internet. Once we go with the example, you will have idea what exactly the meaning of this functions and all. Okay. Now execute this curl ex parameter ch and curl close. Right? Till now, is this okay? Fine. So let's get started with the example. Okay, let's get started with the example. So just hold on. First example, how to download the content of the remote website to a local file. All right. How to download a file from a remote site using curl. So first we are going to retrieve the data. Let's check. Fine. I hope that it's visible. Now I'm going to define one URL which I want to fetch. Okay. So basically I'm going to set the URL over here. Yes. LadyGaga.com. Now $ch. Right. Call init. Call init. Fine. Which is initialization part. Now we are going to choose for setup. First argument is ch. Second, curl opt return transfer. Curl opt return transfer. Fine. Okay. Third, once again, curl setup Now dollar $ch comma curl opt URL, and finally dollar URL, right? So what basically we did over here, like set the result output to be string over here. Okay, now what we will do, now we will execute this. So result call exec, and the output is dollar $ch. Okay, and echo dollar result. Now let's execute this and check whether it is working or not. Take a look on this. The URL is fetched the ladygaga.com by using the web scraping curl. So this is the example of the web scraping. Okay. Now due to slow internet connectivity, this is loading right now, but just hold on. It will be loaded within a few minutes. Alright. So take a look on this. The website which is fetched. Okay. So here is the example. I want you to execute this very fast, and once you're done with this, you need to respond in chat box. Thank you. Please go on. I want each and every student to respond once you complete or executed with example. I request all, please. Fine, so let's moving to next. The options can be written more compactly by using curl setup array. So you need to at least set up that particular array, all right, and which call function that converts that option into an array. So call setup, handle array, call out URL, and return transfer equals to true. So you can define that way also if you want. So let's moving to the another example. Okay, that what exactly the example is. The example says that how to download a file from a remote site using a curl. Okay, so let's execute that example now. So basically this example, you can see this. You are going to define some URL over here, all right, first. So let's execute this. Just hold on. Just hold on, guys. Is it visible? First, I need to paste or type URL over here. So let's copy the URL first. Okay, so that's what the URL. Now, next is file on the server. Now, what we will do, we're going to check on file is equals to underscore dir underscore space dot directory separator. The Divine Comedy HTML. All in it, which basically initialize the curl. Now open the file on our server, right, for writing. So what we will do now, $file and then f open, right, and we are going to write in, we are going to open in write mode. So $file comma w, right. Okay, now curl setup underscore array. Dollar handle comma. Now array, and curl opt URL. Curl opt URL is equals to dollar URL comma curl opt file. Curl opt underscore file handle, which was variable we had defined, comma semicolon. Okay, now dollar data, in which I'm going to execute the curl. So curl execution and dollar handle. Okay, now call close to close the session, right? Once again dollar handle, definitely file close, and also we do have file handle. let's execute this. I have removed that file particularly. Okay. Now, first of all, let me show you the URL. What exactly the URL is? We are going to fetch this. Something is wrong. Yeah, divinestory.com. Fine. So let's execute now once again. I think URL is wrong. Let me copy it one more time. Okay. This file has been executed. Take a look on this. A new file is created. Divinecomedy.html. MPR news, right? And that page, it has been stored to our local system. Take a look on this. Take a look on this. Right? So kindly execute this very fast. Then, so we fetched that particular page stored in our local server. Kindly execute it very fast. Is it done? Is this okay? Is this okay, guys? Previously, it was we are only retrieving the data. Now we are retrieving and store in a one file in our local system. Okay, fine. Okay, so kindly execute it, and once you're done with it, let me know. हार्दिक पार्थ आसा, हार्दिक पार्थ आसा, दीक्षित धरा महक,